Hello guys, good afternoon. I have steamed chicken, fried pork, the favorite of all. This one is the black fungus with the fried pork. These are the one of the favorite also of the kids. Okay, done, cooked already. Okay. This one is the sour biji. Hakaf. This one is almost all hakaf, guys. This one is the what they call sour biji, and then this one have the pork feet also. Roasted pork feet like that. Then I have the last one is my vinegar, ginger vinegar pork feet. This one, see, the vinegar is sour, sweet and sour. Okay, this one I need for the sauce for the chicken later. I cooking. Okay guys, thank you. That's it guys. That one I cook for today. 5 dishes. Tired. Okay guys. Thank you. That recipe is Hakka recipe guys. Okay. Thank you. See you for my next video. Please follow me, subscribe, and click the notification bell for my next video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.